Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Kanmani Pandian and I am so excited to recreate Sonakshi Sinha's bridal makeup. She always often sports a blend of classic and contemporary styles, emphasizing her eyes and keeping her overall look balanced and elegant. So let's recreate. Always start with a clean and well moisturized and primed face, which I have already done. Let's start with the eyebrows. I am shape and fill my brows using a gel liner to get a thick brows. This is from Swiss Beauty Eyebrow and Gel Liner 24 hour stay. You can use whatever you have according to your eyebrow shape. Mine is thin, so I am using a gel liner to achieve a thick brow. Color correctors helping to achieve a flawless and even complexion. Green neutralizes red pink tones. So I have a pink undertone scars. So I apply a green color corrector to the areas with pink undertone scars. Use a concealer brush or fingertip to blend it gently into the skin. Make sure to blend the edges thoroughly so that the green corrector seamlessly transition into your natural skin tone. For this I am using Forever 52 concealer and corrector multitasker palette. Select a foundation that matches your skin tone and the foundation formula that suits your skin type and desired coverage. Apply foundation with the help of brush or a damp makeup sponge, either using your fingers. Start apply foundation to the center of the face and blend outward toward your hairline and jawline to avoid harsh lines and ensure an even application. Apply a thin layer of foundation and build up your own coverage where needed rather than applying too much product at once. So for foundation, I am using Forever 52 Pro Artist Foundation in the shade BUF 010 Peanut. This is true match to my skin tone. A highlighting concealer is used to brighten specific areas of the face, enhancing features and giving the complexion a more radiant appearance. So select a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. I am using My Glam concealer in the shade 102 Warm Golden and apply under my eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, chin and cupid bow. Use a brush or a damp makeup sponge to blend the highlighting concealer seamlessly into your foundation. Pat and press the product into the skin rather than rubbing, which helps maintain coverage and ensures a natural finish. To prevent creasing, set the highlighted areas with a translucent setting powder. Use a minimal product to avoid cakey look. And I am using PAC Feathers of Natural Finish setting powder in the shade 02. And then use a powder or cream contour to define your cheekbones, jawline, forehead as well as nose. I am using powder contour from Forever 52 Flawless Fusion Powder Contour in the shade BBR 005 to enhance my features. Creating a bridal neutral eye makeup look inspired by Sonakshi Sinha involves achieving a soft, elegant and timeless appearance. So for that, I gonna apply same concealer as my eye primer to create a smooth base and ensure the eyeshadow stays in place and doesn't crease. To prevent creasing, set my eyelids with the same translucent setting powder and then apply a neutral brown eyeshadow all over your eyelid using a medium fluffy brush and blend windshield wiper motion. Make sure to blend well. If you want more definition to your eyes, add darker brown shade to the outer corner of your eyelid and blend to add subtle depth and dimension to the look. And I am adding some shimmer to the center of my eyelid with the help of my finger. Start by drawing a line from the outer corner of your eye towards the end of your eyebrow. The angle of this line will determine the angle of your wing. So decide on the thickness of your wing. Draw a line from the end of your wing back towards the middle of your upper lash line. Ensure the line is smooth and straight and fill it with a gel liner. I am using Swiss Beauty gel and draw a line along your upper lash line connecting it. Make sure this line is thick enough to match the thickness of your wing. And I am define my lips with a lip liner in the shade Russet Brown. This is from Streetwear Cosmetics. And I fill my lip with the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade Sensationally Me. Lightly apply the same brown eyeshadow along the lower lash line with a small brush for added definition. Curl your lashes with an eyelash curler for extra lift and apply a coat of mascara to your upper and lower lashes. Apply your false lashes and blend them with your natural lashes using mascara. And I am using Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline and lashes from iMagic. Apply a soft blush on the apples of your cheeks for a natural flush. I'm using Touch Blush palette from iMagic Cosmetics in the shade Cheek and Temper. To add some glow on your face, use a highlighter on the high point of your face, cheekbones, brow bone, bridge of the nose and cupid bow. This is from Color Essence Terracotta Stardust Multipurpose Highlighter. And then I finish my look with a sleek bun with flower, add some jewelry, bindi and sindoor. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys are loving it. And I invite you to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow me on social media for the latest updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell on YouTube so never you miss a new video. My social handles are listed right below the video. And I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.